AirPods being a default device for iPhone users. But what about Android? Android offers big variety of ecosystems, which work together in theory between ecosystems, but what about the ultimate device that works between them? Let's say Google smartphone, Apple or Samsung tablet, which will offer similar experience as AirPods, and that would be Google Pixel Buds Pro. So let's talk about controls. Buds from Pixel work with Pixel Buds app, which is available for any device, offering you control similar to AirPods. From the main control functions, that would be in-ear detection, pulse, skip and volume control, as well as hold to ANC and or Google Assistant. Talking about ANC, same as in AirPods Pro, buds from Google offer ear tip seal detection in the settings, and the ANC itself works very good, as well as the transparency mode. Comparing to the other TVS headphones, transparency mode is the closest you can get with AirPods Pro. The feeling is as you do not wear headphones at all. The battery with the ANC is something around 7 hours, but with ANC off, it would be something around 11 hours. Now talking about transparency. Transparency amplifies the sound around you and also offers you transparency talk feature with the latest feature drop from Google. It pauses the music and turns on transparency mode while you are talking. It works in 10 out of 10 cases, but the only bug, which I suppose cannot be fixed, sometimes it turns on in public transport when going on a bumpy road, since it senses the vibration from the road and people talking around you. But even in that case, it doesn't bother you every single time while commuting on public transport. Just turns on sometimes. Another feature worth mentioning will be multi-device connect, and it works like a charm with any device that supports Bluetooth connectivity, which for me personally solves the problem with using Pixel phone and iPad Pro from Apple. For that, you need to turn on the multi-device and connect the headset to another device than your phone. Of course, Buds Pro wouldn't be as perfect without its own Find Your Buds app. If the buds are still connected to your phone, you can find your device by playing the loud sound on them, and if they have been disconnected, Find My Device app from Google shows you the last location of the device was connected to your phone. Also, this function works backwards, and you can ask Google Assistant to ping your phone while connected to your bud. And talking about Google Assistant features, such functions as find your phone, play some music, and take a photo of you, and of course reading the notifications are available. In other words, the full functionality of Google Assistant in your ears. Another useful feature is live translation through Google Translate app. You just have to ask to help you speak a designated language and press the mic button for another person to talk. It supports 117 different languages and it works seamlessly. And last but not least, software feature is hearing wellness with the latest feature drop, showing your exposure right now over time together, and with the sound around you sending you notifications to lower your volume when exposed to loud music, and also showing exposure to the loud sounds around you. From the hardware features, pretty convenient wireless charge, built-in equalizer, and customization of press and hold button for both of your buds. Of course, should mention the spatial audio and head tracking in the Pixel phones, but unfortunately it doesn't work on cheap Pixel devices like Google Pixel 7a, leaving this feature for more expensive Pixel 7, 7 Pro and as well as 8 and 8 Pro. In any case, these headphones are the best in terms of sound, features and convenience of usage. And that's the story for the Pixel Buds. See you next time.